This video will demonstrate how to install the trim kit on Napoleon's Elevation X Electric Fireplace. The adjustable trim accommodates finishing materials up to 1 inch and 3/8 depth. This also covers an area of 2 inches around the appliance opening, so finishing to the top of the appliance is permitted. When installing a thicker finishing material, the 1 inch 3/8 depth must be maintained for a minimum of 2 inches around the fireplace opening. Begin by placing the trim onto the fireplace, then identifying the screw locations in each corner. There are slots in the trim that will align with holes in the inner edge of the fireplace opening to allow the trim to adjust to the correct depth. Using a screwdriver and the supplied screws, secure the trim to the inside of the fireplace opening. These can be installed partially so the trim can be adjusted to sit flush with the finishing material later on. Ensure to install 2 screws in each corner of the trim. The trim can then be extended outward, and the enclosure can be finished. Once complete, ensure the trim is flush to the finishing material and re-secure it in place to finalize the installation of the Elevation X Electric trim kit.